The video that was shot for the purpose of whether the frog will fly, a design from a non-kiter. Can you believe it? And the challenge begins from there. To generate interest amongst the viewers, and we hoped that we get at least few to be part from this great kiting community. The enthusiasts and the kiters were asked to answer. I have put this in YouTube channel. It has considerable views. And I was so inquisitive about that the viewers, especially the people who love kites, will answer. As I placed a request to all the kiters, but many did not come forward and I don't know why. However, I respect their decision, it's okay. I'm proudly happy that the great friend Mr. JimGates from Tacomo, Washington, who has all along accepted the challenge. And he sends me this video, and I'm posting the video here. Very nicely cut and aptly flown the green frog. The challenge was whether the frog will fly without a tail or not. And the 2 points to take into the consideration to ponder. One was the bridle point, and second, will this frog require a tail? Jim will receive, once the situation on pandemic will subside, a prize from the Kite Life Foundation. Thanks, Jim. You are extraordinary. And Kite Life Foundation wishes you best greetings. You stay safe, stay healthy. I also did my turn to accept the challenge, but I'm unfortunately it's not the time that to fly the kites out here because the heavy monsoon. And what the time I got a little bit to show you that the flight was okay, and I had that video along with this shoot, which I will show you. And that also flown, and I hope that but for me, I'm actually passing out this challenge, so I will not have got anything, but the kiters other than me will definitely get it. And that's the end of this challenge. Thank you very much once again, Jim. I'm very happy that you involved in this great kiting community. Thank you very much.